Padayon Digital, uplifting lives through digital technology. This is the theme of the 9th Globe Media Excellence Awards, as it aims to highlight the importance of digital platforms in delivering relevant news and content to the public. Despite the difficulties during the pandemic, journalists, bloggers, and content creators in Visayas and Mindanao relentlessly pursue ways to share stories that inform, ease burdens, brighten up spirits, and drive change. Thus, their dedication and hard work also deserve honor and recognition.
Through our collaboration with you, the storytellers, we hope to carry the country to a more hopeful tomorrow, one that will bring out the best in each one of us, to strive for an empowered citizenry that is free to choose, engage in discourse, and live a decent, meaningful life with family and loved ones.
Globe has prepared 9 awards for digital and print, 2 for broadcast, and 3 special awards, which must be anchored on at least one of the 4 Globe sustainability pillars: Digital Nation, Care for the Environment, Care for People, and Positive Societal Impact.
The most significant advantage technology has given to journalism is it puts the world at our fingertips. Like, it allows easier, faster, and more effective communication, as well as easy access to information. Technology is a gift from God, and we should use it well.
Journalists and content creators are encouraged to submit their entries on or before December 31, 2021. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.